Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your controller and game are current. Controller lag or mismatched versions break settings. Once the console and Fortnite are updated, go straight into settings and choose controller options. Make sure you're on the Xbox controller preset and locate the combat section. From here, you can access the toggle related to automatic fire behavior. Don't spend time on visuals. Focus on the controller and account being active, so the in-game option will register correctly. Once inside combat options, flip auto fire to on and check any submenu for auto fire sensitivity. This controls when the game auto shoots at targets. Then tweak trigger dead zones slightly lower so the press registers reliably, and reduce aim assist a bit if shots fire too aggressively. Save the changes, back out of menus, and fully restart Fortnite to force the client to apply controller bindings. If you play with builds or a different control preset, make sure the preset supports auto-fire and remains selected. Finish by jumping into a low-stress match to confirm auto-fire behavior. Try shooting at stationary targets and moving enemies to verify consistency. If auto-fire does not trigger, toggle the option off and on again, then reboot the Xbox. This often clears binding conflicts. Also inspect controller mappings and disable any third-party remapping apps or accessibility utilities that override inputs. If problems persist, switch to a different controller or wired connection to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.